Artificial intelligence. Advancements in artificial intelligence. Transforming daily life and the future. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to advance rapidly, revolutionizing various industries and shaping the way people interact with technology. From enhancing personal convenience to solving complex global challenges, AI's applications are vast and evolving. This presentation explores the latest advancements in AI and their impact on daily life and the future. AI in daily life. AI-powered communication tools. AI-driven chat applications improve real-time language translation and transcription. Virtual AI assistants enhance workflow efficiency and team collaboration. Examples: Lorem ipsum dolor cita met, consectetur adipissing illit. Smart retail and e-commerce. AI improves inventory management and demand forecasting. Personalized shopping experiences through AI-driven customer insights. Examples: AI-powered chatbots, virtual fitting rooms, and automated checkout systems. AI in transportation and logistics. AI optimizes traffic management and reduces congestion. Autonomous delivery drones and robotic warehouse automation. Examples: smart traffic lights, AI-driven fleet management, and self-driving delivery vehicles. AI in entertainment and media. AI-generated content for movies, music, and video games. Personalized news and media consumption based on user behavior. Examples: AI-generated music, deepfake technology, AI-powered video editing tools. Future potential of AI. AI in space exploration. AI assists in autonomous space missions and planetary exploration. AI-driven simulations for interstellar travel and exoplanet discovery. Examples: machine learning for astronomical data analysis. AI and environmental sustainability. AI optimizes energy consumption and promotes smart cities. Predictive analytics for climate change and disaster response. Examples: AI-driven weather forecasting, automated waste management. AI in personalized medicine. AI-driven drug development and customized treatment plans. AI helps in precision medicine by analyzing genetic data. Examples: AI-assisted robotic surgeries, AI-driven health monitoring. AI and human creativity. AI collaborates with artists and musicians to create innovative works. AI-powered design tools help architects and engineers develop sustainable solutions. Examples: AI-generated art, algorithmic music composition, AI-assisted architecture. Ethical considerations and challenges. Addressing biases in AI algorithms to ensure fairness. Balancing automation with job security and workforce adaptation. Implementing data privacy regulations and responsible AI governance. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is not only transforming daily life but also shaping the future in unprecedented ways. While AI continues to bring numerous benefits, ethical considerations and responsible deployment remain critical. As AI technology advances, a balanced approach is necessary to ensure its positive impact on society and humanity as a whole. Thank you. Subscribe my channel Smart Time 24.